everyone, welcome back to Tote Studio. I hope you guys are doing well. So today we are making this really pretty crocheted tote bag. Looks super cute and aesthetic and super comfy to use as well. So let's learn how to make this. And before starting, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. So the main task for today is to make this pretty granny square. This can be very complicated at first, but as you learn the stitch, will be very easy. Rest everything will be very easy once you learn the pattern of this granny square. So let's start with the video. I'm using these two colors of yarn. I will link all the products in the description below. Let's learn how to make the heart shape. Take the red yarn and make a magic ring and chain one. Then on this magic ring, we are going to make 11 single crochet. Along with the chain 1, it will be total 12 chains. Then pull the small portion to close the magic ring. Pull little harder so there will be no gap visible. Then make a slip stitch on the first chain to complete the row. Then for the second row, you will make the circle a little bit bigger. Chain 2 and we will count this as a double crochet. Then make one more double crochet on the same space. On each chain space, we will make 2 double crochet and make a slip stitch on the first chain to complete the whole row. Now we are done with this middle portion of the heart. So at the end of row 2, we will have total 24 chains. In row 3, for all these 24 chains, we will have to make different types of chains. So stay focused and follow my steps. First we will make double treble crochet. We have to wrap our yarn 4 times in the hook and pull through 2 each time. Skip the first chain and make the double treble crochet on second chain, and on the same chain we have to make total 8 such double treble crochet. And this is how it's gonna look after 8 double treble crochet. On this next chain, we will make 1 triple crochet. Then on next 2 of them, make 1 double crochet on each of them. One half double crochet on the next one. Then on next 3 of them, make single crochet. We almost reached the half of the heart. Now on the next chain we will make the tip. Make a half double crochet and a double crochet on the same one. Now we are exactly half of the heart. From here we will make the same chains but in reversed, starting from the last to the first. Starting with chain 1, making a double crochet and a half double crochet on the same one. Then 3 single crochet and a half double crochet, followed by 2 double crochet on next 2. Then 1 triple crochet on the next one. Again, make 8 double treble crochet on the next one. Skip the next chain and make a slip stitch on the first one from where we started our process. Now just cut the yarn and pull it tightly to finish the row as well as the color. We're done with the heart shape now. We just have to make the white border around the heart. Take the white yarn now, make a slip knot, and we will connect the white yarn here on the bottom side, just beside the tip, with a slip stitch, and make chain 2. From here we will cover all the chains one by one till the middle, and next half will be exact replica. Make a single crochet on the tip. Then we will make 1 half double crochet and a double crochet on the next 2. On next 2, 1 triple crochet. Here we are going to make our first corner. Make 2 double treble crochet on the next one. Chain 1 and make 2 more double treble crochet on the same chain. That will make our first corner. This is how it's gonna look. Next 2 chains we will make 2 double treble crochet again. Next 1 double crochet followed by a half double crochet. On next 4 chain, we will add 4 single crochet. Now here we make our second corner. For this one we will have to make 2 double crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochet again. Here is our second corner. Now on this remaining chain we will make 2 double crochet then a triple crochet. Now on this middle chain we will have to make a double treble crochet. We are now exactly halfway done. From here we will again make the same stitch but reversed. So start with a triple crochet followed by 2 double crochet. Then we will make our corner same like this one. 2 double crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochet again. Then 4 single crochet like the other side. Continue with the same pattern. Half double crochet, then a double treble crochet. And then make our fourth corner with 2 double treble crochet, chain 1 and 2 double treble crochet again. And after this corner we are left with 1 triple crochet and a double crochet, and we will make our slip stitch where we joined our color, and we will count this as a half double crochet. So we are done with our granny square. If the border looks too blunt, make a layer of single crochet around the square. Just chain 1 and make 1 single crochet on each of them, but on the corners make 2 single crochet instead of 1, so that the corners will be straight and not bent towards inside. Then finish the whole border, cut the yarn and pass. Our granny square is ready. I made almost 12 of them. Now the next process, how to join them together, how to make them in the form of a bag, how to make the straps, everything we will be covered in the next video. Otherwise the video is going to be too long and it's very difficult to process the video. So stay tuned for my next video. I hope you've enjoyed it till here. So do subscribe to my channel, and the next video is coming right away. Next day uploading this one. So stay tuned and follow for more. Bye bye.